Today we will learn about measurement in this video. Have you ever wondered why people measure things at home or school? Measuring helps us know how big, heavy, or full something is. Let me tell you a fun story to start. Once, Raja Jagdeep wanted a beautiful bed for his queen. He asked his best carpenter to make it 10 handspans long. The carpenter made the bed 10 handspans long, but the queen could not fit. When the king measured the bed, he found it was only 8 handspans long. Then someone else measured it and found it to be 14 handspans long. Everyone was puzzled, and the king asked why the numbers were different. The minister explained that a handspan is different for each person because hands are different sizes. So to be fair, they decided to use the same handspan every time. For example, the carpenter's handspan. This story shows why using the same way to measure is important. Now let us learn what measurement means in simple words. Measurement is finding out the size, length, weight, or how much a container can hold. We use measurement every day without even thinking about it. Measurement of length tells us how long or short something is. One way to measure distance is by counting steps or jumps along a grid. Imagine a grid with lines going left and right and up and down. Each line is 1 unit, like 1 step or 1 jump. If you move 3 lines to the right and 2 lines up, you moved 5 units in total. Now think of Shinchan going to Masao's house on a grid. There can be many paths, and some are shorter than others. For example, one route may take 10 units of distance, and another route may take 6 units. Shinchan should pick the route with 6 units because it is the shortest. Height tells us how tall something is, like a tree or a person. Kids used boxes to compare height. Rajat was 5 boxes tall, Richa was 6 boxes tall, and Disha was 4 boxes tall. Comparing two boxes makes it easy to see who is taller or shorter. Weight tells us if something is heavier or lighter. If a pumpkin weighs 5 kilograms and a cucumber weighs 1 kilogram, the pumpkin is heavier. If a potato weighs 1 kilogram and a watermelon weighs 2 kilograms, the potato is lighter. Capacity is about how much a container can hold. A glass might hold 250 milliliters and a bucket might hold 5 liters. Tanya filled a big bucket with a small mug, and she saw the mug could only hold a little at a time while the bucket held much more. So what do we learn from this? We learn to use the same way to measure and to compare length, height, weight, and capacity. Let us quickly remember: use the same unit to measure, count units for distance, compare boxes for height, use scales for weight, and use cups or liters for capacity. So today we learned about measurement with stories and simple examples. Keep exploring and try measuring things at home or school with an adult. Great job listening. Keep asking questions and learning with a smile. And you can find more fun lessons on EduRev.